Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great and welcome to the big day, the day of the elections. In this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin. Later today, I'll probably make a full video on what I expect in the different election scenarios. All right, so Kamala wins, Trump wins, etc. So keep an eye out for that. It will probably be instead of my middle of the day market update. That's going to be interesting. I have a lot of thoughts about this, but in general, the markets right now, I think they have been as expected. All right, basically, what I've said for the last 2 or 3 days or so is that I think Bitcoin will stabilize structurally. All right, so that we will not have any major breakouts or breakdowns, and that we will have a lot of volatility in terms of spikes. And I think so far that has been the case. The main support level right here at 67,500. You can see those two dotted lines. That's the POC, so those are very strong levels. That's been holding on relatively well, and then I would say the strongest resistance right here at 69,500 with the trend line, but the trend line I always dislike a little bit, but all right. But in general, there's also a strong resistance level there. It has also been holding, all right. So basically what we have is we have some shakeouts in this area, and I think the real moves, the volume, by the way, is extremely high, $42 billion, as expected. A lot of people are speculating right now. And that is also what I think is going on right now. And I actually do think, man, looking at the markets, and we already briefly talked about this yesterday in my middle of the day market update. Purely technically, like if you go to the 12-hour time frame here, I would say Bitcoin is still very much technically very bullish, right? And it also feels like, but that might be a little bit of the crypto echo chamber working or doing its work, of course. It feels like Trump has better odds. Most of the odd markets are also saying that, but some of them are still very 50-50. So in reality, it is very 50-50 whether you want that or not. And I would certainly encourage you to kind of get out of your own bubble and check out some other sources, because if you check out other sources, you would say Kamala is going to win, right? So it's going to be 50-50. I don't really expect a breakout, but I do think that if we're going to get a breakout before the elections with the Trump odds that we have right now, but also the price action we've had so far, because that reaction we had yesterday evening after that slight move down was absolutely bullish, and the structure is also absolutely bullish still. I would say it's a move up. All right, so a bullish breakout, that's also kind of what's happening with Dogecoin. That's also speculation. A bullish breakout is possible. The leverage is actually still quite high, so that is something we could see over the course of today. Like I said, the main level to watch for that is 69,500. All right, so what I would say is most likely here for Bitcoin, to kind of make it a little bit more clear, is that we will consolidate, and the main levels for that are probably all the way down to 66,500 as a support, and then 69,500. So I think it's most likely that we will stabilize and be volatile in this area over the course of today into the elections. But there is a possibility, and I'll try to keep you updated on that on X. All right, so make sure to follow me there if you don't already. It's the same name, Cilinix Crypto. Very valuable, but that's up to you. I'll try to keep you updated if I actually see momentum coming in that we can break out, because a bullish breakout, so some sort of a move like this, I'd say that's most likely if we are going to get a breakout. But for now, I don't see enough evidence to tell you we are going to break out. I hope that makes sense. Those are my thoughts for now. So if you do have any questions, make sure to join the Telegram or the Discord group. That's better than the comments, because the comments are kind of shitty here on YouTube. So hopefully I'll see you there. For now, that's what you need to know. Take care, and I'll see you on my next videos. Bye.